friends, welcome back again to the channel or the PARFUM for a brand new video, but this time on a special location for a really special fragrance. As you can see over here, this is Davidoff Cool Water, and this is a 200 ml size. It is a massive bottle, so it is not gonna be like my very first impression for this fragrance, but it is gonna be my first impression for this recent batch code, because I mean, I've been buying Davidoff Cool Water for so many years, but I've been only buying the old, I would say not the vintage, but the old batches, like this one right here, as you can see over here, back when they had a square in the box, a white square in the box, and back when the fragrance was really amazing. So this is gonna be my unboxing and also first impression of this one of the recent batch codes for this fragrance, and I'm gonna see how it is and show you how the 200 ml bottle looks like. So as you can see, this is the cellophane for the box. Over here we have some information. Here the insignia. On the bottom we have the batch code, the barcode, and when I'm outside I really get a little bit nervous when recording these videos, but I will just improvise. So let's open it without further ado. It is definitely a massive bottle, massive box. I didn't want to ruin the cellophane, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, as you can see, beautiful looking box. And right here we have our magnificent bottle. As you can see, Davidoff Cool Water, eau de toilette, and the batch code right here. It matches the batch code on the box. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes. So let's spray a little bit for the camera and see about it. As you can see, really beautiful, worth a shot on Instagram. Looks really nice. Okay, let's spray a little bit. Wow, this bottle is really massive. I have big hands, but really this bottle is really huge. I'm not used to these sizes. And as you can tell, the sprayer is really magnificent. I've been always, I always admired the sprayer or the atomizer for cool water by Davidoff. And what a beautiful smell. Very green. Beautiful scent. Fragrance will definitely remain timeless, definitely a legendary fragrance. I didn't want to make an introduction for this fragrance at the beginning of the video, because almost everyone knows this fragrance, and in my opinion this is definitely a must in everyone's collection. Yeah, legendary, timeless, great fragrance. One of the best selling fragrances in eBay, I think the third, if that's what I heard, and also in the top 10 most popular fragrances ever. So as I'm smelling the fragrance right now, it is not really that different than the OG or the vintage, if I can say that, or the old batches. This is the bottle of the old Davidoff that I had. As you can see, the insignia is a little bit different over here. And as you can see, I don't really have much left in this one. I've been buying this, the old batches for so many years. Even lately, I had an old batch of it. And this is the first time I'm trying the very recent batches to see if it is really different as people are saying. But since now, I mean, so far, the fragrance is not really different than the OG. You get that lavender and those sea notes, marine notes, a little bit flowery, then a slide of tobacco, a little bit of amber as well right now. I can definitely sense the synthetic amber, unfortunately, but it's not very synthetic. This is definitely a beautiful, beautiful scent. You know, it is very addictive. As I said earlier, I've been buying this fragrance for so many years, and really, I mean, if I didn't love it, I wouldn't be buying it.